Er lik your HP15DC suddenly won't start. We are Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We collect your device from your door, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We are located at Calle Joaquín María López 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. The issue often arises due to a faulty power connector or an internal component failure. Our expert technicians will diagnose the problem quickly and perform the necessary repairs to get your device back in working order. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.